Good morning, Paul Georgie from Allendale. It's December 5th, Monday morning, and we've got grain markets higher here overnight, mostly supported by the macro markets again. Out of Europe, we've got the euro stronger, dollar a little bit weaker. Some of the happenings over there, Italian president has got the his cabinet to agree on a $20 billion cuts in spending and a $10 billion improvement in job creation. So that's got some focus and some headlines, which is supporting markets here this morning. We also have Merkel and Sarkozy to meet in Paris today, working out some type of a plan that they can bring to the full session of the Euro leaders on Friday when they get together. So there'll be a lot of news and a lot of wrangling here of positioning going into that major EU meeting on Friday, and certainly should provide a lot of headlines that headline traders can move the market back and forth here this week. So we expect to see that. In the U.S., CFTC did announce the weekly Commitment of Traders report on Friday, showed that funds and large traders reduced position size again. In the corn, for instance, they reduced position size by about 13,000 contracts. In wheat, they bought about 4,200 contracts, which actually reduced their short position because they are short about 50,000 plus contracts in the wheat. Soybeans, the only soybeans and hogs, I should say, were two commodities that did see an increase in their long positions. Soybeans only 1,700 contracts, however, with the product all reducing size. And cattle were down about 3,000, hogs up about 3,000. So still not giving us any indication that they are willing to come back into this market, and that's what it will take in order to get our grain markets trending higher again, as we need some support from the outside money rather than the liquidation that we've seen here for the last month or so. Weather conditions in Brazil seem to be ideal. Crop conditions there should improve as rain is forecasted for pretty much all of Brazil this week. Argentina, about a third of it will get rain. There may be some dry spots there, but nothing that is really concerning to our weather forecaster, which is Weather World Inc. The snowfall here in the U.S. in the western areas, wheat should have some type of snow cover before the sub-zero temperatures move in, and that's expected here later this week. In the livestock trade, however, cutout values there were down sharply in beef. We talked about it last week that it felt like this cutout was getting a little heavy. Certainly has on Friday down $2.25 in the choice, down $1.39 in select. So that's going to make it a little tougher on having cash cattle prices work higher this week. We'd expect that from what we've seen here so far, we'd expect that fed cattle could get a little pressure. However, the weather is providing the support there. We're having tight supplies and some weather conditions that are not conducive to high rates of gain could put some pressure or allow the packers to have to pay up for cattle as we move into this week. The hog complex, the cutout values there were lower and just marginally only 69 cents, but the real problem in the pork complex is the futures and the sell-off that we've seen on Friday, taking out some major trend lines, taking out some major moving averages. Would expect rallies now will be met with some resistance, and we would call on the livestock market steady to lower here, although the stock market is showing some good strength here at this time, up 140 points. So that may provide some underlying support to the livestock trade as they open here this morning at 9:05. If you got any questions, don't hesitate to give us a call here at Allendale, 800-262-7538. Want to remind you, if you're in the Albert Lee, Minnesota area, on Wednesday, the Farmer State Bank up there has got a seminar be held on Wednesday. Check out our website. It's got all the details on it. If you want to come, they request that you give us a reservation so they can provide enough food for that occasion. So you're going to find all that out on our website, or just give us a call here at Allendale. We wish you a very successful trading day, and I'll talk to you tomorrow morning. Thank you.